welcome back to Limon's Kitchen. Thank you guys for coming back to my kitchen. Today I brought to you another exciting episode of Limon's Kitchen. Bravo! Today we are going to prepare cake, our homemade cake without oven. This is so simple and easy. And we have the ingredients here. These are the ingredients needed. We have our eggs, our sugar, vanilla essence, baking powder, all-purpose flour, margarine. We have margarine or butter. You can use any of them. So guys, after breaking your eggs, you are going to either whisk your egg or you use the mixer. You have to whisk till everything is well dissolved. After whisking, you then go ahead and add your sugar. So I'm using 25 grams of sugar in this cake. So now we are going to add a melted butter to our mixture. So in this case, you can melt your butter in the microwave or you can also melt it direct from the stove. So I prefer to melt mine on the stove.
Boys, let me family.
So you will then go ahead and add the melted margarine to your mixture. So in this section, you have to be very careful in adding of the flour. If not, the cake is going to be strong. You don't have to add enough flour. You have to add the flour little by little. You understand? A bit by bit. You have to add the flour small. If you add more flour, the cake is going to be strong. I will then add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and add a pinch of salt to taste.
Spice Boys like be family.
So guys, it is time for me to preheat my oven. I will then place my net, then sprinkle a little salt in the pot. After sprinkling a little salt in the pot, I'll then cover it to heat. Then get back to the cake. You have to preheat your pot for about 20 minutes before you start baking. So you then grease your baking tin with margarine or butter. You can also use any type of cooking oil to grease your baking tin. So guys, we are going to bake this cake for about an hour. Mine took an hour before the cake was You will then chook your cake with a toothpick to see if wow, this is so delicious and it's very attractive. You can see from the surface, it's so delicious. It smells very good. My house is smelling very good. This was so neatly prepared. The cake was so hot, so I decided to wet this rag and place the cake on it for it to cool easily. It was so hot, and I love the smell because of the vanilla essence I added. I was getting that flavor. Wow, this is so attractive, delicious, and it was so perfect. I love the aroma of this cake. It smells so good, very soft. I love it. I really love it. Wow, it came out so perfect. This is so delicious. Fantastic. Thank you guys for watching to an end. If today is the first time coming across my video, please subscribe to the channel.